In this video, my dad is testing the microfiber pad made for the Ryobi power scrubber. Our kitchen is generally clean, but when you look closer, the cabinet, splashback and benchtop are covered with oily residue and grime. My dad usually wipes down the surfaces with all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth, but it's too hard that he seldom does it. We'll start with the Ryobi microfiber pad. Insert the battery, spray some of the all-purpose cleaner onto the surface, and let the Ryobi do this trick. It will automatically spin and clean the surface until you stop it. He'll repeat this process over the remaining cabinets. It only took him a minute. Then he finished with the microfiber noodle pad to dry and polish the surface. We can see how clean the surface is right after the polish. Wow, no more oily residues and the surface feels clean to the touch. Then he repeated this process on the splashback. Spray with the all-purpose cleaner, scrub with the microfiber pad, and then polish and dry with the noodle microfiber pad. Again, this process takes barely over a minute and the surface looks and feels clean. My dad has never enjoyed cleaning this much before. Finally, he finished with the bench top. And I'm just gonna repeat myself. He sprayed it with the all-purpose spray, scrubbed it with the microfiber pad, and polished and dried with the microfiber noodle pad. As expected, the surfaces all looked and felt clean. I've never seen my dad enjoy cleaning the kitchen this much, and my mum has never felt prouder. The Ryobi power scrubber is definitely the most used tool in our house.